Alright, so there is a detailed tutorial on Linktree part 2. So this time around, we are going to the Play Store. We are downloading the Linktree app. We are not using the website. The first tutorial is about to use the website to start. Then the next one is this particular one, how to use the app itself to get the best version of everything you want. Okay, so it's downloading and I'm trying to wait for it to download, and let's get started. So I'll skip and begin already. So this is how it looks like when you open it up after it's finished downloading. It's going to show you this green tree stuff, but my network is kind of slow, but this is how it's open. Then all you have to do is click on login or you sign up. So because I have created from the website, I just logged in. Do you understand? But if you are creating yours first, you are going to sign up into the app. But whichever one you start with, you just pick the option that suits you. So now it's opened, and this is how you see the first page, where we have the link at the down part, appearance, preview, analytics, and more. While at the top part we have the share and the URL areas. So in this particular video we will be continuing. If you check from the beginning, you see that I've done some settings right from the beginning from the website. So I just want to use the app to update and make it more professional, more arranged, more organized than using the website. Hence why I downloaded the app. So now the first thing you do is to click on the link. You paste the link into the add new link, enter your new URL, then you click on the arrow to move. That move is like you're moving to the next place where it's saved. Now you can see the link I pasted was the YouTube link. So I will tap on it and click on the edit to clean the particular area and name the title of the video, of the link, not video, excuse me. It's the link. So I want this particular link to be like, you have to watch this link to have um chance or to be entitled to watch my free course. Okay, so hence why I pasted the link there, because I recently created this course, crash course for entrepreneurs. If you go through this course as an entrepreneur, online entrepreneur, there's no way you will not be making sales and you will not be able to grow, develop yourself, except if you don't implement. Anyway, so that's it for that. So when I'm done writing what I want as the title, all I have to do is to click the tick at the top which says mark, that looks like the mark sign. So I click on it, and then I'm done for that particular area. So that below we have this analytics, because we are using it for free use, but if you want to use it as like a professional, you can pay. Now if you check this down part, you see it as display this video on Linktree or link off to the YouTube website. So if I want the video to show on my Linktree app, whenever anybody that click on it to show or to display my video, then I can click on that. But if I don't, then I'll leave it like that. Also, if I want them to see it on the site itself, then I'll choose to display on the site. Then now I am at the part of the thumbnail, whereby I want to select a particular picture to make it look fine, organized, and enhance it a little bit better. Hence why I'm picking a thumbnail. Thumbnail is like a picture. If you're a YouTuber, hence you know what a thumbnail is. A cover picture is what we call a thumbnail. So I'm going to use this simple design I did for the course as my thumbnail, and finally I would save. You understand? All right, so that's it for this particular aspect of adding link and putting it in a thumbnail, adding a thumbnail, and maybe you want the video to display in the link or off to the website. So I click off to the website, so it will take them down to my YouTube channel. Okay, so I can click, maybe they want autoplay or muted video, but make sure you click on remove it from muted video so it can talk. Yeah, so you remove it from that. So that's that. Can you see that it's now looking more beautiful as I've arranged that, unlike the first ones that has the photography page and the video editing page. So okay, I click on that same add new link, and this time around I want to paste another link from YouTube also. But this time around it's like a channel playlist to the course. So that's what I want to paste there. but I think I have pasted it before, so I made a mistake. Hence why I will be cleaning it and adding a new label. But for the sake of this is like a tutorial, so you just need to be careful in the links you are pasting so you don't paste double link. So I first of all clear off the title of that came with the link. So it starts from the URL, which is http. That's how your link should be, because if you paste it with anything in front, it won't go. It will tell you wrong. It won't even click. But you have to start for URL starts from http. I hope you understand that part better. Alright, so when it's finally done, then I will now title the link, add my thumbnail, and choose probably I want it to go off the link tree, or someone can be able to watch it right in the link tree app. So now I am here typing the title I want for the course, and since I did it earlier, I think this particular side is already explained, so you can do it by yourself. So now let's move to another thing you can also do with this link tree, another aspect, which is like the header. Before I go to my header, I want to show you some of these areas that we have under this site. So after I added my thumbnail for this particular link, we have redirect, we have patron priorities, or we have schedules, we have log. But if you click on each one of them, you'll be hearing try pro for free after 30 days. If you try it, if you like it, then you can continue using it. But if you don't, you can off the subscription before they remove your money. Do you understand? And we have lock. Lock is like probably you want to add some certain things and you don't want it to show, or you want it to go live and stop, then that's that. Then we have the feature of the analytics, like to tell you how many people click on your link, how many people watch your link, and all of that. So that's the function of that. And you can see down here we have this upgrade option, but that's if you pay, but we can still use it for free. So let's just stick with the free aspect. Okay, so the next thing I said I will be showing you again is the appearance option. So we have done the link. Now let's go to the appearance, how we want our appearance to be like, better than the way it is on the when we created it on the website. So now I have my profile title, which is like a name I want to be called, or the title of my link for my own self, what I want. So everything here tells us everything we can do for our um appearance of the link. So we can also put our picture, but that's if you are using the professional pro version. That's when you'll be able to use the picture as the background of your link. I don't think it's expensive though. You can try it out. And we also have fonts. If you want the font of the text in the link, how you want it to display, you can finally pick them from this area. And you can also color your link the same way you can, color your font of your text. You can also color the background. You can also color, like, this area is where you do everything about the appearance of how you want the link to look eventually. So here I am trying to select some text that I feel will be better. So once I click on anyone, it will tell me to pick a color. Then I have to confirm if I want it. But after picking a color and to know if it look properly or beautiful, all I have to do is click on the preview next to it to check it out. But for now, I just want us to go through each of the process to see how it looks like. So clicking on the preview, this is how it looks like after I touched that particular font area and I picked a particular color. So my network kind of slow, sorry. Alright, so this is how the text I choose from, and this is how the color I pick is being shown. Can you see that the color of the body is different from the color of the text, and is also different from the color of the text in each of the link bar? Can you see? Yeah, so that's for that. Also, if you check at the top where I have my profile, is where I have at Kiaki, because that's my business name and that's my nickname, now a business name and known by all. So I can also change it to be my real name, which is my birth name. That's for that profile side. And the next place is the bio, where I wrote everything about what I do and how it ought to be like. So now I've done picking the color of that particular side. Now I have the button color I can pick, and I also have the buttons, how I want it to be showing. Do I want it to be in this fill outline? I select that. Then I have the background color. I can also pick a background color the way I want it to display. And since I use purple, then I don't think my text color should be in purple. Do you understand what I mean? So I'll click on preview to see how it looks like. Now it's looking fine, but my text color is pink and I don't think it's vibing. So let's go back. So all I do is pick from the appearance, organize it, then come to my preview and adjust it better. So I went back to the appearance, and here I am trying to pick another color for my button, and that's how I did the process up to the point, the current beautification of that website is. I just continue from picking color and previewing and checking which one fits. You can see this particular one is not even making sense at all. The color is too much. So you have to reorganize everything you're doing to match, to look well. Like even you yourself, you find it attractive to click on your link before somebody else will now come and click on your link and be like, wow, what's this? So I later chose white, like peach white, because it's not that white. So let's see how it looks like after I pick on this particular. Okay, so it went back to the peach itself. All right, so now the next thing I will be doing is going back to sharing the particular link, that is the link tree link. Can you say I have share to wherever I want to share it to? All I have to do is click on it and to paste. So I decided to click on some of the link and see how it's looking like. So this is a particular video where I put display on the site. So anybody that tap on that link, the video will display on my website. Instead of taking them down to my YouTube channel, it will display on the website itself. So that's how I did it when I was doing in the link area. I taught you all how to do that, so you can go through the tutorial from beginning to check that out. So now I'm back to my appearance. I want to make it more organized, but I think you get the picture, so I don't make this video too lengthy. But that's how to do it, by just clicking on the particular area of each of the function. As you can see, that particular circle that look like square or rectangle is now having a rectangular but curved edge, just because I chose another pattern. So you just have to select and move along. So I picked another button color because it was looking at too plain. So I picked another one, and after picking this particular color, let's see how it's going to look like in the preview section. So I'll click on confirm, then click on preview, then let's see the outcome of it. Alright, so this is how it's looking like. So I feel like it's now making sense. So the color of the text I have on the body of the link, which is that peach, I'm going to change it so my other this thing will be looking well fine. So I'm moving down to the font color. I'm removing it from peach to another color. So I think white will make sense, but let me preview and see how it ends up looking like, to know if it actually makes sense for real. All right, so I think it's making sense like this. Okay, so that's this for this aspect of arranging your appearance and your link, and also making it organized and looking more professional. So the next thing I also want you to see is clicking on the link area. When you click on the link area, you click on add new link, then we have the appearance also. To choose or select a particular theme, you can create yours, but you can select from the themes you already have. But I like plain background, so I decided not to choose any of the themes. So I went back to the profile title by adding my own title, which I said is my full name. I decided to add afterwards. Then my bio, I think my bio is already okay. But if you feel your bio is not okay, then you can use the Snapchat AI. I have to use the Snapchat AI to give you a beautiful and well organized bio also. So click the next video to see how to do that. All right, now this is how it's looking like fully on my channel, like my link, the short link. So I move down to more and see more things you can do with the link tree. We have the SEO, sports, support banner, subscribe button, social icons. So I went to the social icons area to just add, maybe you want it to be below or above. Then all the social icons, if you have everything, you can paste every one of them. But I only added my Instagram username and my WhatsApp number and also my YouTube channel. So for you, you can add every other areas of your social activities and put the link there if you want people to connect with you easily using that. But if you don't want it, then you can just click the tick button and you leave that particular area. So if I preview, this is how my social icons is looking like on my page. So now I click to move it at the top and it has come to the top. And because if I choose the second option, which is to bring it down, is to go down. You know, earlier it was at the bottom. So I just decide to bring it up. I might as well switch it. Well, just be creative about it. Alright, so that's that for this area. Then let's see how to copy not copy the link. I want to show you how to share the link. It's at the top of the screen. If you check the upper part, all you have to do is to click on it. When you click on it, then you'll see the link of your channel, your page. Then you can just copy, and that's that for sharing your link. Then you can click on the social icons to add more social icons if you want to. So I later brought it down so it can be showing below my links. So at this part, I think I'm done with that. For the analytics, you will not be given because you are not using the pro version, so you will not be given access. So let me just click on it so you see how it looks like. So the lifetime, it will tell you, even if you yourself click on your link, it will tell you that yes, somebody has clicked on your link. So just because I'm creating it and I've clicked on it when I was doing the website, so I posted it on my Instagram page so I can be clicking on it and be seeing how it looks like. So I realized that this is way difficult, so instead I decided to download the app. So the app is very easier to use to navigate after you've created from the website, and so I did that with the app website first, then I come to the app to now make it organized and beautiful. You can say you can move each of the links to how you want it to be, which one should come first, which one should come last. You can also move them around just to organize. So the app is preferable in doing all of this than the website. Okay, then there's something else I would like to show you again, which is like adding an header to your particular post. So let's see how it goes. When you want to add an header, you come to this add new link. You can see the header is there. Header is like making people know that okay, you've left this particular area, so this is the next thing that you are seeing next. So when you click on the header, this time around you will not add link, instead you will add a particular text. So this is how the header is looking like. And so I wrote welcome to my space, and I also have like two links. Then I have photography. So when you click on it, it will help you to organize your link proper. So you can also add it. Then let me copy the link into my Instagram page and click on it from there and see how it's going to look like. So here's my Instagram page. I pasted the link there. You can see all the links I have. This was formerly how it looks like, but now I'm going to reorganize it. My Facebook page, my YouTube page will now be added to my linktree page. So when I tap on the linktree and let's say how it's looking like, can you see it's also looking the same way the preview was showing us? Can you see? So my icons are now down because I prefer it being down. You can put yours up so that it will be easily accessed the way you feel it should be like. This video is detailed enough. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to this channel. All right, see you in the next one. Bye.